I scored a 9 CGPA this semester, and before anyone thinks that this is going to be a study 15 hours a day or something like never touch your phone video, no, it's not. In fact, one of the things I never compromised on was sleep. My friends would often say that, "Oh god, I didn't sleep last night," or "I have barely slept this whole week because of exams." And every single time, my answer was the same: I don't compromise with my sleep anymore. Never. Because I have learned that lesson the hard way. There was a time when I used to study late in the night and literally start falling asleep. I'd be staring at my notes and reading the same pages over and over again and convincing myself that I was being productive when I wasn't at all. I was just tired and it didn't help my grades in any way. So, if you are trying to improve your marks, here are some things that actually work for me. One thing that helped me a lot was using Pomodoro timers. Now everyone talks about that classic Pomodoro method, which is 25 minutes of studying and 5 minutes of break. And if that works for you, that's great. But personally, I found that I needed a little more time to get into deep focus. So I usually studied for around 50 to 55 minutes and then take a break of 5 to 10 minutes. Point is not to copy someone else's study schedule. The point is to find a study rhythm helps you stay focused. If I had to pick just any study technique, it would be active recall for sure. After studying a topic, I would close my notebook and ask myself what I remember, and then I would try to recall the topic from my memory. And if I couldn't remember something, I couldn't recall something, I will just go back to my notebook and learn it properly. This is where something called Feynman technique also helped me. Sometimes, instead of just simply memorizing information, I would just try to explain the topic in simple terms. And if I wasn't able to explain it to myself in simple terms, that means I haven't understand that topic well enough. So I just go back to my notebook, I revise the topic again, and I'll try recalling it again. Using active recall and Feynman technique helped me a lot, not only remembering concepts but also understanding them. It's definitely harder than rereading notes, but trust me, it is much more effective than any other techniques. Because the exams don't ask you have you seen the information before or not. They just ask whether you remember it or you can apply it or not. Another thing I did was collect past papers from my seniors, and I didn't just solve them. I analyzed them, looked at how questions were being asked, which topic appeared, which readily, what kind of answer scored well. And something I noticed was that in university exams, teachers often look that you understand the concept well or not. So the keywords matter, diagrams matter, presenting your answers clearly matters. Flashcards saved me during the revisions, especially helpful when exams are close and time is limited. Also used AI as a study tool, not to do my work, but to practice. I would just ask it questions, generate quizzes, and just test my understanding. It was like having a study partner whenever I needed one. The key to use AI is for learning, not for shortcuts. The truth is, you won't be productive every single day. You will procrastinate sometimes. You will get distracted. But stop chasing perfection. Instead, focus on consistency. And these small habits helped me score 9 CGPA and straight A plus in all my subjects this semester. So, if you are trying to level up your grades, don't focus on studying more. Focus on studying better. Working hard doesn't mean avoiding hard work. It means knowing where your efforts matters the most. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, see ya.
One eternity later.
And what time it is? What is this?